Today we're going to be going over the Chevy Equinox, the 2014. We have a VL2 installed right now. So I'll show you right now we're in AM mode. So the way we're going to get to it is hitting source until we get to USB. Once we're there, it'll pop up with our main launcher screen. On here you'll see it comes with local music. That'd be for an SD card, USB, any music you have on there. We have the Bluetooth as well. If you're Bluetooth connected, you could play your Bluetooth music through there. We have web radio, Spotify, and there's a bunch more apps in the Google App Store as well. But these two will run off of your phone if you do a hotspot, that kind of thing. Android Auto as well. We do have CarPlay as well. And as we swipe over here, you'll see we have AVN. That's going to be if you have any cameras installed or you're using an auxiliary cord. We do have a front camera installed, so I'll flip the switch real quick. We'll see it come up with the front camera right now. And turn that back off. And then we get back to this screen. We'll launch Android Auto real quick. And then I did have the GPS up, so it's going to catch up to that real quick. We can hit right here. We see that it comes up with my Spotify that I was listening to. And then we can click Maps. Any other Android Auto apps that you have on your phone will pop up here as well, along with the battery, the temperature outside, and the time it is, depending on your software or your phone. So exit that. We also have the reverse camera hooked up as well, so as you see me shift into reverse, it'll pop up. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and show you Apple CarPlay. So I've got my iPhone plugged in, so I'll just click this here. Bring me to the Apple CarPlay screen, and here you'll see all the apps that are Apple CarPlay compatible. So I've got a course set up on the GPS, so if you click that it'll pop up there. And we've got some music playing as well. These buttons over here also still work for back and forth. And then if we wanted to exit this mode, just click GROM there, it'll bring us back to the GROM VL2 launcher. We can still scroll through all of here. We've also got the settings for Apple CarPlay in here as well if you wanted to connect through wireless. So let me unplug my phone there.
Proceed to Commerce Drive, then turn left.
And we'll click here, and it'll say select available wireless CarPlay devices. So in order to do that, we need to connect to the Bluetooth first. So we'll scroll over here. Now we've connected to it. We're going to allow it to sync with our contacts and favorites. There we go. And then we'll go back here, click on Apple CarPlay, and then it'll say select available devices for wireless CarPlay. So we'll tap to connect. It's going to take a second to load up. And there we go. So now we're hooked up over wireless CarPlay as well.